Good morning, learners. Awesome job for coming in and being ready and excited for math today. All right. So before we get started, let's go ahead and echo read our objective for today. So I'm going to read first, and then you're going to read it with me second. Okay? All right. So students will be able to add within 10 by taking apart objects in various configurations using a number bond. All right, so it's your turn to read with me. Students will be able to add within 10 by taking apart objects in various configurations using a number bond. Awesome. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a pat, pat, pat. Great job for everyone reading with our inside voice and being engaged today. All right, so we're gonna do our beginning piece of our lesson. So let everyone put up all your fingers, your jazz fingers. Let me see your jazz fingers, jazz fingers, jazz fingers. Good job, Alicia, for having your jazz fingers up. Good job, Kim, for having your jazz fingers up. Awesome. So hold your fingers up. All right, so we're gonna count on our fingers. And how do we count on our fingers, Brian? Right, from left to right. So let's go ahead. Everybody, this is your left and this is your right. Okay? So let's go. And when we count, let's make sure we put down our finger. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So let's start again from the left. From the left. Putting our fingers back up, okay? Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So we was able to count on our fingers. 10 fingers, correct. Awesome. So everyone put your fingers down, put your fingers down. Thank you, voices off, eyes on me. Awesome. So hold up 2 fingers. Everyone hold up 2 fingers. Go. Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, how many more fingers do we need to make up 5? Let me see on your fingers. How many more fingers do we need to make 5? Great job. So, right. And Alicia, how many more fingers? 3. And how do you know this, Alicia? Right, because the whole hand is 5 fingers. So we need to just fill up the whole finger. Awesome. Okay. Everyone's fingers down. Everyone's fingers down. Awesome. Great job, voices off, eyes on me. All right. So everyone hold up 6 fingers. Good job, Brian, for having your fingers nice and high with your voice off. Thank you so much, Kayla, for having your voice off, eyes on me. Holding up 6 fingers nice and tall. All right, so how many more fingers do we need to make 7? Let me see how many fingers. Let me see how many fingers. Remember, you can count on your fingers. Awesome. Stephanie, how many more fingers do we need for 7? Right, 1 more. And how did you get that, Stephanie? Great, because you know 7 comes after 6. Awesome. So you just added 1 more. Great job, guys. Hands down, hands down, hands down. So now we are going to test our abilities to do a number bond dash worksheet. Great. All right. So When on a countdown of 3, I need you to have out a pencil, put your hands on your desk, and your eyes on me as I come around. 3. Thank you so much, Brian, for having your pencil out, sitting with your voice out. 2. Waiting on 2 more of my learners to grab a pencil silently and sitting at their desk. 1. Good job, all my learners are ready to roll. Awesome job. So, I gave everyone their own number bond dash worksheet. We are going to time ourselves for 90 seconds to see how many number bonds we can complete on the worksheet. All right. If you get finished early, you just turn around the worksheet and write on the back, counting to number 20, starting at the number 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and you keep counting up till you get to 20. You write that down. All right, so when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently and independently have 90 seconds to complete as many number bonds as you can. Okay? So, 1 second, Ms. W forgot something very important. Everyone's paper is turned face down on its front. So, when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently and independently turn over your worksheet and you'll have 90 seconds to complete as many number bond problems as you can. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. All right, I see all thumbs up. All right, go. All right, so good job. Good job. I see Lisa, she's quietly doing her thing. All right, stop. Good job. So, awesome. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and independently and silently, when I say go, not before I say go, we are going to put our worksheet into a desk. Tomorrow we will continue to expand on it to see how many more we can beat from today. Okay? So when I say go, not before I say go, silently place your number dash worksheets inside of your desk. Go. Good job, Kayla, for silently putting your number bond worksheet in your desk. Great job. Brian, for putting your number sheet in your desk. Awesome. Great. So, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Awesome. I see Kayla, you have your eyes on me, your voice off. I see Brian, you have your voice off, eyes on me. Great job. Ooh, I see Alicia. She is sitting in slant with her eyes on me. Great job. So let's move on forward today to our application problem. All right, so when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently grab your math journal and turn to a blank page and grab a pencil with your eyes on me and your voice off. Go. Good job, Alicia, for pulling out your math journal silently. Good job, Brian, for sitting in slant, having your eyes on me. You are ready. Good job. I'm waiting on 2 more of my learners. Remember, guys, we are silently grabbing our math journals and grabbing a pencil. Thank you very much. So all my learners are ready. Great. So today's math application problem says, Bella spilled some pencils on the carpet. Gino came over to help her pick them up. Gino found 5 pencils under the desk, and Bella found 4 by the door. How many pencils did they find together? I would like for you to find out how many pencils did they find together. You will draw a number bond and a picture to represent how many pencils did they find together. So when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently, independently draw a picture and a number bond to represent how many pencils did Gino and Bella find together. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. All right. So I have a little bit of my friends who said thumbs down. Alicia, can you tell me what we're doing when I say go? Mm-hmm. Awesome. So, Brian, can you tell me what we're doing when I say go? Right. So, when I say go, not before I say go, we are going to silently and independently draw a picture and a number bond to show us how many pencils did Gino and Bella find together. All right. You have 4 minutes. Go. Awesome. See Kayla, she's working silently and independently. I see Brian, he has his eyes on his paper and he's working silently. Remember, heads are up and we're silently completing our application problem in our math journals. Good job, the whole class is on a roll. All right. So, and when you're finished, have your hands on your desk, eyes on me, voice off. Great job. So all my learners seem to be ready, and we are able to move forward to dissect this question, to rip it apart and figure out how we can answer how many pencils did Gino and Bella have. Great job. So, Kayla, how many pencils did Bella find by the door? Good job. So Bella found 4 pencils. All right. And we're doing equity six. Stephanie, how many pencils did Gino have? Good job. And where did he find these pencils at, Stephanie? Right, under the desk. Okay, so I'm just going to outline our number bond. Whoop. Okay. Hmm. All right, Miss W is having a little issue. Okay, and she has it. All right, so can I get a lesson to raise a silent hand to come up to the board and show me how you did your number bond? Malik, great job. Come on up and show me how many pencils did Bella and Gino have all together? Oh, I see Maliki is using his fingers to help him count. Awesome. Awesome. So Malik, how many do we have? 9. Awesome job. Great job. Let's go ahead and give Malik a Texas cheer. Yeah. Awesome. So let's use our fingers to count to number 9. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. 9 fingers. Awesome. Hands down. All right. And can I get another learner to raise a silent hand and to come up and show us a picture to represent how many pencils Gino and Bella have? Stephanie. All right, so Stephanie is drawing out her pencils. Good job. And we noticed Stephanie did something really great. She put the number line, she put the number 5s, and then put the rest at the bottom. So she's 5 grouping to show us how many Bella has, a 5. Then underneath, she shows us how many Gino has at the bottom. Great job. Awesome job, learners. So let's go ahead and give Stephanie a Texas cheer. Yeehaw. Awesome. So let us move forward. What I need you to do is to silently sit at your desk and watch me model to you what we are going to learn today, okay? All right. So I see everyone is ready to learn. Everyone has their eyes on me. Everyone says, oh, great. So I have some apples on the board. Okay. Great. I have some apples. And I would like to see one thing. I would like to know all the different ways that can make up this total of the apples that I have. So let me count my apples. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I also remember that this right here is 5 because it's 5 groupings. So next time I can just count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 9 apples. So how can I group these into 2 numbers to help me figure out different ways to make the number 9? So I see right here is 4, and I also see another group of numbers right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right here. Great. So if I was to do a number bond, I will write the total amount that I have right here. Then I just found out that 4 and 5 help to make up 9. Great. So, what else can I write to help me understand this? I can write a number sentence, which would say 4, and I see, and 5. And I remember, and means plus 5, and equal means the total equals 9. Great job. So now I know 4 plus 5 equals 9. Great. Now let me also look at this another way. So let's look at it again and see how else I can group these numbers. So I see 1 here, and then I see a whole bunch right here. So let me write underneath. 1, I see 1 apple. Then how many apples is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 8 apples. So if I was to create a number bond, it's still the same total of 9 apples. I'll put the 9 here. Now I want to know, how can I get the total of 9 apples? So I see 1 and 8 makes 9. So I'm going to write my number sentence to help me see it a different way. 1 plus 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 equals, which is the total, 9. Great job, Miss W. Awesome. So one more time. I'm going to see if it's one more way that I can see how to add up to number 9. So I see, 3 here, and there's a rest here. So how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 apples are here in this group, in this set of numbers. And then 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers in this set of numbers. So I'm going to write 3. Awesome. So, I have my number bond. I know the total is 9. I have 6 apples right here and 3 apples right there. Great. So I see 9 and 3 makes 9. I mean, 6 and 3 makes 9. So I'm going to do 6 plus, because and 3 equals the total number of 9. Great. I found 3 ways that 9 can be made, because I grouped the apples into 2 different groups that help me to see 2 numbers that work together to give me the total number of 9. Awesome. So let us try together. I have on the board 7 apples, okay? Great. Can I have a learner to raise a silent hand to come to the board and to group our apples into 2 groups? All right, Brian, come on up. Great. Brian is circling 2 groups. Awesome. Let's go ahead and give Brian a Texas cheer. Yeehaw. Awesome, Brian. Thank you so much. You can return to your seat. All right. Can I get another learner to raise a silent hand and to come up to the board to write how many apples are in those 2 groups? Dominique. All right, so Dominique is counting from left to right with her pointer finger. So she sees 4 in this group and 3 in that group. All right, let me see. If you agree, give me a thumbs up. If you disagree, give me a thumbs down. All right, so all my learners are in agreement. In agreements. Great job. So yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 apples in this group. 1, 2, 3, and 3 apples in the next group. Awesome. So I'm gonna do after this. Alicia, can you come up and figure and help us see how we will fill in our number box from all the information that we have now? All right, so she's putting in our first number, 4, and now she's putting in 3. Great job, Alicia. All right, so let us all, let's hold up 4 fingers, 4 fingers. Great job. I see all my learners nice and high with 4 fingers. Now, let's go ahead. What are we going to do next, Brian? Right, we're going to add 3 fingers. Awesome. So, ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3. Great job. So, how many fingers do we have all together? Use a silent voice to count your fingers from left to right. Good job. I see Kayla, she's counting her fingers. When you have the answers, silently raise your hand. Dominique, how many do we have? Right, 7. Great job. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Give me a thumbs down if you disagree. Right, good job. Okay, so we have 7 fingers, and we learned this from counting our fingers. But we also could have counted our apples as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a total of 7 apples here. And we were able to use our fingers to help us add 2, 4, and 3. Okay, one more thing. Can I get a learner to come to the board and to write out a number sentence for our problem? All right, remember silent hands raised. Justin, come to the board. Great job. And write a number sentence. Awesome. Let's go ahead and give Justin a Texas cheer. Yeah. All right. If you believe that Justin has it correct, give me a thumbs down. I mean thumbs up. If you believe that you don't agree, give me a thumbs down. Awesome. So I see some thumbs down. Kayla, you gave a thumbs up. What is the right thing about Justin's number sentence? Mm-hmm. Right. Justin saw that 4 and remember and is using inside voice. What does and mean? Everyone together? Right. Plus. So 4 plus 3 equals, which is our everyone using inside voice. Right. Our total equals 7. So that is why he did 4 plus 3 equals 7. Give me a thumbs up if you understand now. Give me a thumbs down if you do not. Great job. So we all understand. And one more time, I'm going to do a spin. Dominique, why is this correct? Right, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. Awesome job. So now you guys are going to have the opportunity to do bond parts and bonds game. All right. And for this, we are going to partner up with another learner to create some of our own two groups and of our own number bonds to represent our partners. Of our partners, two groups. All right, so when I say go, not before I say go, on your desk is a dot cards and a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. When I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently stand up and stand next to your desk. Go. Good job. Thank you so much, Alicia, for getting right on up silently and standing next to your desk. Good job, Brian, standing at your desk. All right, all my learners are ready. Okay, so I have another direction. When I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently pair with another learner and stand by their side by side, elbow to elbow. Okay? So, one more time. When I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently walk to another learner, standing elbow to elbow. Go. All right, I see Alicia. She's found the partner, standing side by side silently. Good job, Brian, for walking silently. All right. When you have a learner, put a thumbs up. When you have another learner, when you have your partner, thumbs up. Great job. I see you. Two more people need partners. All right, Brian and Kayla, you guys can be partners. You two are the last ones. Awesome. Great job. Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. All right, so everyone has a thumbs up because they found a partner, hands down. Now, what I like for you to do, I'm going to give you and your partner, the whole class, 10 seconds to use a pointer finger to silently show me a number box that you would like to work on today on your dots card. So when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently point to a number box of dots that you would like to work on today. Go. All right, I see Kayla. She has her hands on her number box. I see Brian. Great job. I see Morgan. She has her finger on her number box. All right. Awesome. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2. All eyes on me. 1. Great. All right. So your fingers are on your number boxes. Now I'm going to give you 1 minute to silently circle two groups out of your number box. All right, so when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently circle two groups of numbers, two groups of numbers on your number box. Go. Great job, Samantha. You are circling your number box nice and silently. Good job, James. You're circling two number groups out of your number box. All right, 30 more seconds. All right, so 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Awesome. So now, everyone, let's silently have a seat where we are. Have a seat, have a seat. Good job. Have a seat, have a seat. Awesome. So now what we're going to do we are now going to create number bonds for our partners, two groups of numbers. Okay? All right, so can I get, hmm, awesome. Voices are off. Thank you. All right, can I get some, the person on the right, raise your hand. So, this is all right. Raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand. Great job. You will go first. All right, put your hands down. When I say switch, the person on the left, good job. You are going to go second. Okay? All right. So when I say go, not before I say go, the person on the right is going to show their number box and show their two groups of numbers. The person on the left, you are going to create a number bond to represent your partner's two groups of numbers. Okay? So, Alicia, what are we doing when I say go? Right. We are creating a number bond for our partner's two groups of numbers. Right. And Brian, when I say go, who is going first? Right. The person on the left. The person on the right. Awesome. And Caleb, when I say switch, who is going second? Right. The person on the right, the left. So, great. So, one more time. When I say go, not before I say go, you are going to silently, person on the right, show your partner your two groups of numbers, and the person on the left is going to create a number bond to represent your partner's two groups of numbers. When I say switch, person on the left is going to create a number bond for the person on the right's two groups of numbers. Thumbs up if you understand, thumbs down if you don't. All right, great. So you have you have 6 minutes. Go. All right, so I see some interesting number bonds. Good job, Kayla, for working silently. Good job, Dominique, for silently working. Great job, Kirsten, for silently working on your worksheet. Well, great job. Awesome. So, right, great job. There's 3 here, 4 here. So how are you going to get that number right there? What did we do earlier? Awesome. All right. Switch. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. Awesome. I see some great work. Awesome job. Awesome. So 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Good job. Time is up. Tops on your dry erase markers. Voices off. And eyes on me. Great. So yesterday, we timed ourselves to see how long it would take for us to put away all our materials and have a seat at our desk. So yesterday, we had a time of 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? So today, we are going to try to beat that time and put away all our materials and sit at our desk in 1 minute. So when I say go, not before I say go, we are going to silently walk in the mud to the round table. Place our whiteboards in the purple bin and our dry erase markers in the red bin and our dot worksheets in the yellow bin. All right? So it's going to go something like this. We're going to have our whiteboard, our marker, and our worksheet. We're going to walk in the mud, place our whiteboard in the purple, place our piece of paper in the red, our marker into the red, and our piece of paper into the yellow. We're going to silently walk to our desk and have a seat. All right. So I'm going to put our timer up. It's just like yesterday. Okay? Mark, set, go. Good job, Kayla, for walking silently. Good job, Ryan, for walking silently. Good job, Dominique, for sitting at your desk silently. Eyes on me. 17 seconds, guys. All right, time's moving on up. Good job. 30 seconds. All right. All of my learners are at their desks, and we have silently walked, put away all our materials, and we are now way beyond that time at 36 seconds. Great job. So let's go ahead and give ourselves a firecracker cheer because we are awesome. Great job. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so I am coming around with your problem set worksheet. Okay, let's just take a couple seconds to think about everything that we learned about. Everything that we learned about biology. All right, so on your problem set, you are going to answer all the questions, right? Hold up, Ms. W is going to show you. You are going to answer all the problems. And as you can see, this is an example. So the person circled 2 and 3 dots, and then they completed a problem set. All right? But everyone flip your paper over and look at number 9. Number 9. Good job. On number 9, you are going to create 2 number bonds to represent the apples. So you remember earlier, I made different ways that you can get to one number. So you're going to create 2 number bonds, 2 different number bonds to show ways how you can break this apart. Awesome. So when I say go now, before I say go, you're going to silently and independently complete your problem set. When you are finished, you're going to have your hands on your desk and your eyes on me. All right? Go. Okay, so theoretically speaking, they have 8 minutes. The 8 minutes is gone. Great. All right. Great job. So pencils are down, eyes on me, and we are ready to transition into our next subject. So before we do that, we have to do our exit tickets. I'm coming around and I'm collecting your problem set, and I'm going to give you an exit ticket of the day. All right? So when I say go, not before I say go, you are going to complete your exit ticket. The instruction says, circle 2 parts you see. Make a number bond to match. So we've already been doing this all day. You have 3 minutes to complete this. So when I say go, and before I say go, you're going to silently and independently complete your exit ticket. You have 3 minutes. Go. Awesome job, Alicia. You are working quietly. Good job, Brian. You have your voice off, your eyes are on your paper. Good job. Awesome. When you are finished, have your hands on your desk and eyes on me to show me that you are ready to move forward. All right. You guys are fast. Your eyes are on me, your hands on your desk. Awesome. So I'm coming around to collect your math worksheets. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a final pat on the back. We did great today. Pat, pat, pat. Great job. Awesome. Let me see.